Hi everyone! We are so close to Christmas. We're already at door 20 of our LEGO Friends Advent Calendar, and today we are going to be building a snowman. Woohoo! Building this snowman makes me want to sing a copywritten song from Frozen, but I won't. I'll spare you all. We will stick to building. Alright, this is a really simple snowman, and I'm already done. I spent so much time talking about singing, and now I will try to put the hat on. I don't know why this isn't working. Is it supposed to stick? Am I doing something wrong? I do things wrong a lot. Okay, I'm gonna try moving this around, and nope. Maybe I should have stuck with singing. Okay, we'll just balance him really carefully. Look, he's elf-sized. Oh, perfect. Let's see how he compares to Emma, because why wouldn't she be building a snowman in her pajamas and snow boots? Yeah, that's the kind of advent calendar this is. All right. Let's get Clarence in here. He has to feature in everything. And you know what? I think this snowman would make a dashing chair for him. Maybe. Well, if we turn it upside down, I guess. Well, I don't think I'm using these pieces correctly. But that's our snowman. That's day 20. We only have 4 days left. What are we gonna do? What will Clarence sit on? Don't fret, friends. I have some tricks up my sleeve. I hope to see you tomorrow for day 21. Until we build again, I'll see you then. Bye, everyone.